The Global Hawk is a high-tech unmanned aircraft developed by the American company Northrop Grumman. This reconnaissance aircraft is designed to fly at high altitudes and over long distances, providing unparalleled surveillance and intelligence capabilities. The Global Hawk is equipped with a variety of state-of-the-art sensors, such as synthetic aperture radars, electro-optical and infrared cameras, as well as electronic intelligence receivers. These sensors allow the Global Hawk to collect information about enemy positions and movements, as well as their communications, making it an indispensable tool for military commanders who need a real-time understanding of the battlefield. Additionally, the Global Hawk can fly at a maximum altitude of 60,000 feet and stay aloft for more than 32 hours, allowing it to monitor large, remote areas for long periods of time. With its ability to fly at high altitudes and stay aloft for long periods of time, the Global Hawk is capable of conducting large-scale surveillance and reconnaissance missions. The drone is also designed to be modular and flexible, with the ability to carry different payloads depending on mission requirements. This includes a variety of sensors, as well as weapon systems such as air-to-surface missiles. Ultimately, the drone is an advanced surveillance and intelligence tool, capable of providing valuable information to the U.S. military and its allies. Thanks to its advanced capabilities and flexibility, it has become a key element of U.S. defense strategy. In addition to its surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities, the Global Hawk drone offers several advantages. It can be piloted remotely, eliminating the risk of endangering a pilot's life in the event of a dangerous mission. Additionally, its ability to fly at high altitudes allows it to remain invisible to enemy radar, reducing the risk of detection and destruction. Can also be used for humanitarian missions, such as search and rescue, environmental monitoring, or even fighting forest fires. Its ability to remain in the air for a long period of time allows monitoring of areas affected by natural disasters, providing valuable information for planning relief operations. In summary, the Global Hawk drone is a versatile and advanced tool, offering unprecedented surveillance and intelligence capabilities. It is a key part of U.S. defense strategy and can be used for a variety of military and humanitarian missions. The Global Hawk drone is also capable of communicating with other military aircraft and equipment in flight, allowing it to share information in real time. This offers better coordination between the different actors involved in a mission, which increases the efficiency and safety of operations. The drone is also equipped with a satellite communication system, which makes it possible to control it and receive the data collected from anywhere in the world. This provides great flexibility and global reach for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Additionally, the Global Hawk drone is capable of flying at high altitudes for long periods of time, while being quiet and stealthy. This makes it particularly useful for covert reconnaissance missions, where stealth is essential. In short, the drone is an advanced surveillance and intelligence tool, offering great flexibility in coordination, communication and stealth capabilities. It is used in a variety of military and humanitarian missions, and is considered a key part of U.S. defense strategy. In terms of performance, the drone is impressive. It can fly at altitudes of up to 60,000 feet, or over 18,000 meters, and can stay aloft for over 30 hours at a time. It is also capable of flying at speeds in excess of 500 knots, or approximately 926 kilometers per hour. The Global Hawk drone also has an advanced navigation and piloting system, which allows it to fly autonomously. It can follow pre-programmed flight paths, avoid obstacles in flight, and adjust its speed and altitude according to weather conditions. The drone is equipped with various advanced sensors and surveillance systems, such as radars, infrared cameras, motion sensors, and electronic signal detection systems. These systems make it possible to collect a large amount of data and information on a given area, providing a clear view of the situation on the ground. Another advantage of the Global Hawk drone is its ability to be deployed quickly over a given area, without the need for an air base or significant support equipment. It can be transported in a standard container and deployed from any airport or airstrip, providing great flexibility in global reach for surveillance and intelligence missions. Additionally, the Global Hawk is capable of flying over large and remote areas, which would otherwise be difficult to access for conventional airplanes and helicopters. This makes it possible to collect valuable information about remote areas, such as conflict zones or remote regions affected by natural disasters. The Global Hawk can also be equipped with offensive weapons, allowing it to deliver precise strikes against enemy targets. This provides great flexibility in combat missions, allowing enemy targets to be precisely targeted without the need to send manned aircraft into a dangerous area. Finally, the Global Hawk drone is capable of flying in harsh weather conditions, such as storms and high winds, which makes it useful for surveillance missions in extreme conditions. In short, the Global Hawk drone is an advanced surveillance and intelligence tool, offering great flexibility, impressive performance and coordination and communication capabilities. It is used in a variety of military and humanitarian missions, and is considered a key part of U.S. defense strategy. NASA also uses the Global Hawk drone to conduct science and research missions. The Global Hawk has been used to collect atmospheric and weather data for several NASA research projects, such as the study of hurricanes, and sandstorms. The Global Hawk has also been used to collect data on the ozone layer and sea ice conditions in the Arctic, as well as to monitor wildfires and volcanic eruptions. NASA acquired several Global Hawk drones in 2007, and since then has been using them regularly for research and surveillance missions. The Global Hawk drone has been very useful for collecting scientific data in harsh environments, where conventional aircraft would have been unable to operate safely. In addition to its use by the U.S. military and NASA, the Global Hawk drone is also used by other countries for surveillance and intelligence missions. Germany, Japan, and South Korea have all acquired Global Hawk drones for their respective armed forces. The Global Hawk drone has also been used in humanitarian operations, such as responding to natural disasters and monitoring animal migration in Africa. Finally, the Global Hawk has also been used in counter-terrorism operations, including monitoring the activities of terrorist groups in Africa and the Middle East. One of the most recent missions of the Global Hawk drone in Africa was carried out by the United States Armed Forces in 2020, as part of Operation Observation Sentinel. This mission aimed to monitor the activities of terrorist groups in the Sahel region, which covers several West African countries, including Mali, Niger, and Burkina Faso. Global Hawk drones were deployed from Sigonella Air Base in Italy, and carried out 24-hour surveillance missions over the Sahel region, collecting data on the activities of terrorist groups, such as troop movements and arms trafficking operations. Information collected by Global Hawk drones was transmitted to ground forces, enabling them to plan and execute operations against terrorist groups more effectively. This mission was considered a success, and the Global Hawk drones were credited with providing valuable information on the activities of terrorist groups in the Sahel region.